Hola mi gentes, thanks for watching and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this cute bun with wave sides on your pixie cut. So if you want to see how I did this, please continue to watch. Alright guys, so I already sectioned off my hair how I want it to be. It took me a little while to get the back part, like run this part, the crown part done, but I got it done. I have to go in the bathroom and look with my mirror and the mirror in the bathroom to see the back and try to part it off that way because my husband ain't here to help me out. Usually he'll help me with the parting in the back, but I'm not here, he's at work. So I have to roll solo and do it myself, but I got it done. So I'm just gonna take my Nairobi now and just mold on my sides and do some waving. And then I'm gonna put a little mold up on here, but I think I'm gonna do gel up here so it could, you know, stay a lot longer. So let's get into it. Okay, so I like it like this. I got some waves in back, I hope, going on. So now I'm gonna go underneath the dryer and dry it for about 45 minutes. I can put on the wrap cap on it just to hold it down, not too tight though, so I don't flatten the waves. I ain't gonna put it too tight. Just so it will, like, you know, sit good. So I barely even tighten it. Yeah, I gotta get nothing. My thing got holes, so yeah. I can pull it down a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna dry for about 45 minutes and I'll be right back. So 1 minute, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm out of the dryer and it's dry. This is my sides, how they're looking. So now I'm gonna deal with the top. For the bun at the top, I buy some Kanekalon hair, braiding hair. I buy the Kanekalon because they have a little texture to it. It's like Yaki kind of texture because I have waves, so I figured why not use like a texture of the hair to do the bun. I'm not gonna use all of this. I buy it in a 1B because I kind of been wash my hair since the last time I did the color, so some of the color came out, so I buy a 1B just to kind of match it better. And this is by Janet Collection. I'm gonna leave it down below in the description box for you guys to go check out. It was only like $3 and change at the hair store. So let's see. Let's get this ponytail bun. Well, not ponytail, but bun going. So I think I'm gonna gel the top. I might put a little bit of gel, not too much, to hold it. So I have a little ponytail at the top. I'm just gonna put a little bit of gel on it so it can hold it better. And I'm gonna be using my Pro Style gel, the back gel. I know some of you guys recommended the Eco Styler, but I still have this and I'm gonna just use it until it's done. And then I'll buy a little jar of the Eco Styler one to check out. But I love this, I grew up on this, guys, so I'm gonna use it to gel up the front. You could probably do the step like when you're doing the mold on the side. You could probably do the step one time, but I chose to do it like afterwards just to see how it was gonna come out. I'm gonna go back under the dryer and let this head dry for about probably like 20 or 40 minutes, probably about 25 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and do the bun. Okay, so my top is dried. Took about 20 minutes or so, and I already opened my Kanekalon hair. I'm just gonna, I took off the rubber band that that's separated like this, so because I'm gonna take out a few pieces out of it because I don't want the bun to be too thick and too big on my hair, so I'm gonna take out a little bit of the hair. So I'm probably gonna take out about this much and then leave the rest. And if it's still a little too big, I'll always like pin it down. So I'm gonna put back on the rubber band now, in the middle. So I just basically take it a little bit into each other. I'm gonna put this on the side and I'm gonna deal with my little ponytail hair. I see that I have a pretty good amount of hair right here, so I'm gonna just probably wrap it up like this. Because the bun gonna be high regardless, so I don't need to put like extra hair like how I usually do if I put in like a high ponytail. So just gonna wrap this hair down. Pin it down, I should say. So I'm gonna pump it up and spray on my little ponytail. And just smooth it down. Just like this it on. Okay. So that should make it enough. Let's hope this will fit over it. So now I'm gonna take the hair and do a bun. It's just gonna be like a freestyle kind of thing. I don't have any style or anything in mind, particular style. One of these in. Let me see. I'm gonna take out some more here because they're gonna be big. Like I'm gonna just half it. Okay, so I'm gonna try it again. So I'm gonna just take my rubber, wrap it around my bun. Okay, so I leave it wrapped in the beginning and wrap it around my ponytail, and then I'm just gonna wrap it like regular. I'm gonna wrap it smooth to go around. That way inside will be like a twist inside, and then around it will be smooth. Then I'm gonna just tuck everything up there. So I'm gonna start pinning it down now. I think this looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna do the little flyaways. I got my Pump It Up and I plugged in my Andes barrel curler because I'm gonna go around it after I spray the Pump It Up with the heat so it could stick down. Get rid of the flyaways. I'm gonna spray some of this on my edges, my sides too, because just so it could stay longer. Give them a little freeze. I'm gonna spread it up with sheen on it. And I use the BB's Sheen Smooth Sheen with olive oil spray. So now I'm gonna put on my, makeup and stuff and show you guys how the whole look come together, like when you're going out and stuff, how you look. So stay tuned. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you guys go and try this cute little style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, so you don't miss any more uploads from me. And don't forget to hit the little bell notification so you don't miss another upload. You'll be notified every time you do. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Stay blessed, be safe, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Take care. Bye bye.